variation, you'll hear this directly proportional, inversely proportional. So A is directly proportional to B, or directly proportional. A is directly proportional to B, or A varies directly to B or as B. Right, so these are the words you see. So that means if A increases, B will increase. If A decreases, B will decrease. That's what all of this property mean. A is directly proportional to B, or A varies directly as B. So A is proportional to B can be written as an equation in this form. Some variable K into B. Inversely proportional, basically A is inversely proportional to B, means A is directly proportional to 1 by B. That's how we generally write. Or A varies inversely as B. So again I can write it as equation A is equals to K by B. The idea is this: if A increases, B will decrease in this. So that's the inversely proportional. If A decreases, B will increase. If you see indirectly, if A increases, B will also increase. If A decreases, B will also decrease. In inversely, you see the reverse. So that's why the relation would be A is equals to KB. Here it's A is equals to K by B. These are the words that you'll see in the statements or the questions to give you whether it's direct proportional or inversely proportional. There will be certain clues that will be given for us to use this and solve the problem. Now we'll solve a couple of examples to give you clarity on this. So A varies as B directly. So that means A is directly proportional to B, and as inversely as C, that's basically 1 by C. So I can write them as equation A is equals to KB and A is equals to M by C. Keep this in mind, the variables can't be same because there are two different relations that are being mentioned in the question. I need to use two different variables. They said if A is equals to 6, B is 18. So A is 6 when B is 18. So that gives me K as 1 by 3. And C is equals to 2. So if A is 6, C is 2. So that means M is 12. Using this clue, I now found the value of K and M. The question is asking me to find C when B is given as 48. If B is 48, first let's find A. So A is equals to K into B. K is 1 by 3 into B is 48. 16 there, so A is equals to 16. Now once I know A, I know the relation between A and C is A is equals to M by C. So A is equals to M by C. So A is 16, M is 12 by C, so C is 12 by 16. 4 3s are, 4 4s are, that's 0.75. 3 by 4 or 0.75 is the answer for C. Now that's how we'll solve this. Important point to keep in mind, again two different variations. A is proportional to B, directly proportional. A is inversely proportional to C. I use two different variables to write equations. They can't be same variables. Do not mix them and get the wrong answer.